In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a payment to a customer invoice in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is an incredibly powerful tool for managing your business finances, and one of its key features is the ability to track and apply customer payments to invoices with ease. Whether you're handling a single payment or distributing one across multiple invoices, this process ensures your records stay accurate and up to date. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can find a registration link in the description to get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, start on the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This will open up a menu of options for different transactions. From the list that appears, select Receive Payment. This option allows you to record payments made by your customers and apply them directly to their invoices. Next, you'll need to choose the customer whose payment you're applying. To do this, use the drop-down menu labeled Customer. Scroll through the list or type the customer's name to find and select the correct profile. Once you've selected the customer, QuickBooks will display a list of all their open invoices. Take a moment to review these details carefully. You'll see the invoice numbers, their dates, and the remaining balances for each one. This is where you'll determine which invoices the payment should be applied to. Now, locate the checkboxes next to the invoices listed. Check the box for each invoice you want to apply the payment to. If the customer's payment covers multiple invoices, you can select as many as needed, as long as the payment amount aligns with those invoices. After selecting the invoices, double-check your work. Confirm that the customer name, the invoice is selected, and the payment details all match. This step is crucial to ensure accuracy and prevent errors in your records. When everything looks correct, click the Save and Close button. This action commits the payment and applies it directly to the selected invoices in QuickBooks Online. Finally, verify that the payment was successfully recorded. Check the invoices you just updated. They should now show reduced balances or reflect that they've been paid in full. You can also review the customer's account to confirm that the payment has been applied correctly. And that's it. You've now successfully applied a customer payment to invoices in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.